Thank you so much. Thank you. Igama Peter Ndlovu. I'm the president and the founder of Mzansi Activists Forum. So Mzansi Activists Forum is an organization formed by ordinary South Africans based in Ivory Park and surroundings. This organization was formed after realizing challenges that our country is facing. Challenges such as unemployment, poverty, inequality, lack of government facilities, lack of service delivery, crime, alcohol and drug abuse, and many challenges that we're facing today in this country. We had to come together and form this organization. Maybe I must just indicate our kids are dying, young people are dying because of drugs, particularly Nyaobe. So we had to come together and form this organization called the Mzansi Activists Forum. Since the formation of this organization called the Mzansi Activists Forum, we have managed to implement a number of programs. Maybe it's important also to indicate that we are not a political party. We are registered as an NPO. Our interest is service delivery and community development. We are not interested in politics. Our interest is service delivery and community development. Since this organization was launched, we have managed to implement programs such as Adopt the School and Reselena campaign. We are visiting our schools and donate primary and high schools, donate school shoes, do motivational talks. We talk about bullying, teenage pregnant, crime, and we motivate them. We make them to understand because they are the future leaders of this country. They've got a responsibility to defend and protect this democracy as the future leaders of this country. We also have a program called Masisebenze Kira Connect. In Masisebenze Kira Connect, we mobilize young people. We mobilize young people, we link them with government departments, we link them with the private sector, and we go to companies, says to companies, you can't employ illegal foreign nationals over South Africans. South Africans need to be employed. So we are saying a company, whether it's big or small, they must employ South Africans. We are also encouraging government to take very seriously this issue of illegal foreign nationals. Because currently in this country we are told there are jobs. Jobs are there. Unfortunately, it is unfortunate. The private sector or the employer prefers to employ illegal foreign nationals over South Africans. So we have that program. We are also encouraging South Africans to reclaim what we call township economy. And the only way to reclaim township economy is to